Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Use the method of step deviation to find the mean of the data given in the table. Now to use method of step deviation, we know mean can be calculated as mean equal to A plus H into summation of FI/UI divided by summation of FI, where A is assumed mean, Fi is frequency of ith class, Ui is xi minus a divided by h, where this is deviation. Xi minus a is deviation. Then summation of Fi is n, which is total number of observations, and xi is class mark, that is midpoint of class of ith class. So we need few more rows in this particular table. So let's add them. So let's first calculate class mark, that is m, or in this case it's xi. Let's xi, which is for 20 plus 23, it's 43 by 2, which is equal to 21.5. In next class, 23 plus 26, which is 49 by 2, which is 24.5. For next class, it will be 25.5. For next class, for next class, it will be 30.5. For next class, it will be 33.5. Now these are the class marks. So now we need an assumed mean. So let A equal to 20 plus 35, which is equal to 55 by 2, so 27.5. Let assumed mean be 27.5. Therefore, xi minus a will be xi minus a. Let's make another row for this. Now xi minus a, that is 21.5 minus 27.5, is minus 6. 24.5 minus 27.5 is minus 3. 27.5 minus 27.5 is 0. 30.5 minus 27.5 is 3. And 33.5 minus 27.5 is 6. So this is the deviation of each class frequency from the assumed mean. So now we need to calculate Ui, which is equal to this deviation divided by class size, which is h. Now h is class size. In this case, class size is 23 minus 20 equal to 3. So minus 6 by 3 is minus 2, minus 3 by 3 is minus 1. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Now what we need to do is we need to multiply these Ui with class frequencies. So we will need one more row, fi multiplied by ui. So what we have here is 20 multiplied by minus 2, which is minus 40, 12 multiplied by minus 1, which is minus 12, this is 0, 20, this is 24, and this is 72. Now we can find mean very easily. Mean equal to A, which is assumed mean, so 27.5 plus H, which is 3, multiplied by FIUI, summation of FIUI. So we will need this summation. So minus 40 minus 12 is minus 52. Minus 52 plus 24 is 52 minus 24, that is 28. So minus 28, and minus 28 plus 72. So 72 minus 28 is 12 minus 8, 4, and 7 minus 3, 4. So we have 44. So the total is 44 here, and total number of people is, let's see, 12 plus 8 is 20. 24 plus 36 is 60. So 60 plus 20 is 80. 80 plus 20 is 100. So mean equal to 44 divided by 100. 3 into 44 divided by 100. So we have 27.5 plus 3 into 0.44, which is equal to 27.5 plus 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, and this 1.32. So that is equal to 28.82. So since mean, that is data samples, is about years, so mean is 28.82 years. Let's see, answer is option B. Option B.